How to delete items from Google Collections. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete items from Google Collection. So it's a pretty simple process. So first thing, just head over to Google application itself and make sure you're currently logged into your current or correct Gmail account. And once inside here, finally select this option, that is activity, from the bottom navigation bar, that is bottom right corner. And once inside here, you can just tap on this collection. So when you save an image, product or other items on source, you will find it here. So just tap on this, and as you can see, I've saved some items or images or even pages over here. So just select this all saved items, so it will basically show all of your collections over here. Now to delete any items from Google Collection, just tap on this three dot icon right next to that particular collection and simply click on remove, and just click on remove once again, and just like that you will have successfully removed any items from your Google Collections. So that is exactly how you do it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.